Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very important remedy which I have been using this in this pandemic. Not so frequently, but when the symptoms are indicated, it works wonderfully. A very important polycrest remedy that you all have read in your Matermedica, maybe every day also. The remedy I'm talking about is sulfur. In sulfur, the symptom related to the respiration and cough, I'll discuss what I've seen in this pandemic, which symptom I used for prescribing sulfur. And the first symptom that comes to my mind is the respiration. The respiration is arrested while talking or arrested when talking. Whenever the patient is talking, he becomes dyspneic. So with this symptom, you have to first think about sulfur and second, do think about causticum. Both remedy have dyspneic respiration. Of course, then the differentiating feature of sulfur and causticum varies from patient to patient, but we'll concentrate only on sulfur. It is said that sulfur basically has difficult or asthmatic respiration and it is used constitutionally. It's written in the Matermedica, asthma constitutionally, sulfur, calcarea car and iodine. It is so very indicated. In sulfur, as regard to the female symptom is the respiration is asthmatic before menses. Whenever the patient comes and tells you that I feel breathless, difficulty in breathing, asthmatic respiration or asthma increases before menses, do think about sulfur. In sulfur, it is also important that there is difficult respiration morning or and breakfast amelioration. So whenever the patient eats breakfast, his respiration becomes easy. This is a very important symptom because the patient gets up and he has some difficulty in breathing. So in the morning when he eats the breakfast, he feels better, and this is a very, very important symptom of sulfur. Sulfur, again, if you see the sulfur, the respiration is difficult, but the taking deep breath, he takes like this. जब वो बहुत deep breath लेता है, the respiration or the difficulty of respiration is better, or it ameliorates. Or it is said that taking deep breath ameliorates the difficulty in breathing. So we have to compare this with a very, very important remedy, and that is Cuprum metallicum. One is Cuprum metallicum and one remedy is China, and third is I suppose capsicum. So capsicum, China and Cuprum metallicum with sulfur, you have to always think about when the patient says is better by deep breathing, and this symptom will get in this pandemic where the patient is like this. So I have to do like this and I feel better. This is important. In sulfur, also there is a difficult respiration when he's doing he's lifting something. When he's lifting heavy weights, the respiration becomes difficult, and this is also a very, very important symptom of sulfur. Do compare this again with a very important remedy, that is Rustox and calcarea car. All these three remedies has difficult respiration while lifting. Of course, if a person of old age comes to you with difficult respiration only and there's no symptom, then you have to think about sulfur. You can think about China, you can think about Senega, and you can think about Bratacar. As you go further, we have to see the respiration sulfur. Sometimes it's called whistling respiration. Whenever the patient takes the breath in, it is like this. There is a whistling respiration on inspiration. टिपिकल व्हिस्लिंग, सीटी साउंड आवाज आती है जब वो सांस अंदर खींचता है, और वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम है सल्फर का, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम है. और एक रेमेडी, वन मोर रेमेडी विच हैज व्हिस्लिंग रेस्पिरेशन ड्यूरिंग इंस्पिरेशन इज कालीकार. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ रेमेडीज बट आई हैव यूज्ड सल्फर, कालीकार, नाइट्रिक एसिड एंड नाइट्रोम्यूर with whistling respiration when the patient takes inspiration. And always do remember, there is respiration is whistling in sulfur patient when he is in sleep. This is so important. I had a case of corona patient where the husband told that the wife, when she sleeps, उसके छाती में सीटियां बजती है. Whistling respiration in sleep. Do think about sulfur and also think about a very, very important remedy, and that is chelidonium. So this is some part of respiration, difficult respiration I have told you about sulfur. Now the cough part of sulfur, that is also important. And the first symptom that comes to my mind is the cough of sulfur, that is before breakfast. So a sulfur patient will wake up in the morning, cough, cough, cough. He'll eat breakfast and he'll feel much better. If you have seen my YouTube videos before also, I have told you some remedies which is better after the cough is better before breakfast. Kalicar, sulfur, Senega, and of course Murex. But I have used very frequently Kaligar and sulfur in this symptom where the cough is better by breakfast, and of course the cough of sulfur is as good as a bursting cough. बहुत जम के चिल्ला के खांसता है, bursting cough like Bryonia, Naxomica and Lycopodium. ये तीन रेमेडीज याद रखिए. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे रेमेडीज है, बट ये रेमेडीज में मैंने ज्यादा उसका सिम्टम्स देखा है. Now the cough of sulfur is important. Dry cough. Whenever the patient there is a dry cough, especially in the evening in bed, शाम को जब वो सोता रहता है उसको बहुत सूखी खांसी आती है. You do compare sulfur with two very important remedies I have used in the practice in this pandemic is sulfur, phosphorus and sepia. These are three remedies I have used with very important, very good results. And of course, the cough of sulfur is dry when walking. This is important. Patient comes and says, sir, मैं जब भी उठ के चलता हूँ ना बहुत खांसी आती है. Dry. Do compare this with sulfur, veratrum and thuja. I have seen very important results. And as you know, in sulfur, it is very important. Apart from the pandemic, one symptom that comes to my mind is cough alternating with eruptions. बहुत खांसी रहती है, खांसी ठीक किया आपने, फिर खुजली आना शुरू होती है, फिर खुजली ठीक है, फिर खांसी आना शुरू रहती है. So alternating with eruptions, of course the remedy has to be sulfur. Second is soranum, and a very important and rare remedy that you should always think about is croton tea, which also has the same symptom, cough alternating with eruptions. And regarding the cough symptom, of course there are other symptoms, but what I've seen in my practice, I'm telling you, cough in pleurisy. That is also a very important symptom of sulfur. Now I have told you the dry part of cough, which I have seen in the evening. Now if there is cough rattling, especially in old people, you see old people, they are coughing, खर खर छाती में हो जाता है, rattling cough आती है. Do think about sulfur, do think about Kali sulf, a very important drug hyposenium and Calipicrom and Senega. Rattling cough of old people, this is also important. In sulfur, one modality of sleep I told you, whistling respiration in sleep. So the cough symptom are also same. There is a cough before sleep. Patient will cough and then he go to sleep. So cough before sleep also is a very important symptom of sulfur. Do think one remedy which is very close to sulfur is Coccus cacti. And cough from sour food. खट्टा खाता है पेशेंट और खांसी आती है. बहुत बार पेशेंट आके बोलते डॉक्टर साहब नींबू पानी पिया, कल मैंने कुछ खट्टा किया, भेल खा लिया, पानी पूरी खा ली, खट्टा था. In this sour food cough, you have to remember sulfur, of course, antim crude, nitramur and lacasis I have used in the practice with very good results. So we have told about the respiratory part, the cough part, the dry part, the rattling part. Now we see something about the cough of sulfur, the expectoration of sulfur. And when expectoration, of course, you have to remember whenever a phosphorus sulfur patient coughs, the cough is gelatinous in the morning. Patient आके बोलता है ऐसी कफ निकलता है चिकना white समान gelatin समान. That is a very important expectoration of sulfur, gelatinous coughing in the morning. Or you can say sulfur patient always will say ऐसे जब मैं खांसता हूँ तो पेशेंट बोलेगा झाग निकलता है. The cough is frothy in the morning. So frothy cough, you can have remedies like sulfur, you can have Diascoria, you can have Thuja, but gelatinous cough in the morning is a very important symptom of sulfur. Of course, sulfur is also as important where the expectoration is bloody, the spitting of blood, especially in the night. There are a lot of important things of sulfur expectoration, but what I have seen, I'm telling you, one is gelatinous cough, the frothy cough, the spitting of blood, and one important symptom when the patient is waking. The expectoration is mucus when the patient wakes up in the morning. Of course, if there's mucus when the patient wakes up in the morning, you have to think sulfur with Thuja. Now, the taste. The expectoration in sulfur has a burnt taste. जला हुआ taste आता है. And a very important remedy with sulfur you have to think about is Pulsatilla, Bryonia, and sulfur and Rustox. These remedies also are very important where the taste is burnt, a very important remedy, pulsatida you have to remember. Of course, there are taste in sulfur which is very very peculiar to sulfur. You have to remember when the patient says कि मुझे अंडे के समान बास आती है, that means that is sulfur. Taste like rotten wood, not egg. It is rotten wood. It is called as, that is sulfur. Or you can think about sulfur when the taste is like onion taste. मतलब प्याज के समान अगर टेस्ट आ रहा है पेशेंट का, that is sulfur. Expectoration tastes like onion. So if this is there, you have to think about one remedy, and that is asafoetida, and petroleum also has the same symptom with expectoration is onion like. So these are basically very very important symptoms of expectoration. The taste, one symptom that I want to tell you this, that sometimes the expectoration in sulfur patient is very much thick, especially in the evening. So you have to compare this with creosote. So my dear friends, this is something about a sulfur symptom, the cough symptom, the expectoration, the taste, and the mucus part of sulfur that you have to remember, and see in your patients in this pandemic and prescribe sulfur. My dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.